Okay, Kylie, call him. Say, where are you? Call Dada.
You know, while you're listening to me, be careful, because if you get hurt, it's no fun. Okay?
Call Dada. She's taking over Costco. Everybody's looking at that little cutie. Where did Dada go? Caught. Where is he? Do you see him? There he is. Call Dada. There's Dada. Call Pop Pop. Whoa! Turn around, monkey. Hey, monkey, turn around. Whoa! You gotta hold on. You gotta hold on. Hold on. Call Dada. You're gonna be on YouTube tonight. Dada.
Kiss.
Sit down, Kylie. Wanna lie down? You go to sleep. I made a little bed for you there. Good night.